Usually, when someone says, "Were your eyes bigger than your stomach?" they're speaking in the figurative sense, like cut back on the dessert. In this case, a little bird's eyes led him to eat something literally bigger than his stomach and also bigger than himself. The RSPCA Grange Wildlife Center in Cheshire, United Kingdom, shared these photos of a small jackdaw bird who accidentally swallowed a pair of tweezers whole. Jackdaws are attracted to shiny objects, which isn't so different from the rest of us. And when he decided to pick them up, apparently they accidentally slid down his throat. Vets at the RSPCA did an intricate surgery to remove the tweezers from the bird's system. I wonder if they had to actually use tweezers. I don't know, but they are using tweezers to feed the bird. Thankfully, they painted them black so the bird won't be confused between what he should eat and what he shouldn't. Hopefully, he's learned his lesson and will stick to worms from now on. I'm Keri Lumm for Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.